Hi guys! Today we're baking cookies. Yeah, so here are the ingredients you will need. Actual pin, like a baking tray, kind of like this. Roll. Cookie dough, obviously. Parchment paper. And somewhere to hold your cookies. Or you can use a normal plate. So, the first step you're going to need is to take parchment paper to fit out your cookies. Alright, next, I'm gonna need a sharp knife to cut the dough. I recommend you not to use a really sharp knife, but I'm just using a knife that I have at home. Okay, let me move like this so I can actually cut the dough. 1 pack of Nestle Toll House cookie dough. Use any cookie dough you like. And I'll put the rest on top of here. Okay. Don't like tail so much. You always got to open. Not every time you use it. So. I do have a new channel name. It's Camila Enriquez. Just search that up on YouTube and you'll see me doing role plays with my friends and sister. If you want to follow me on Roblox, my username is It's Nature Foxy 76. Alright, this is really hard. You might need your card for that. Alright. Just cut the cookie dough. Okay. And you have to put it with 1, because 1 actually is pretty good. 1, put it 1, and then you need to leave it some space. So, 3. Also, when you have to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You didn't say anything. To bake your cookies, so you're gonna preheat your oven before you're doing the cookies. 350 degrees. Later on the video, we're gonna be doing a giant cookie sheet. By the way, first step, wash your hands. Okay, there's only one thing only goes on. Alright. Take a few more. And fit. Two more. Okay. Okay, one more can fit. We're gonna do 2 giant cookies. This one's me shaped, so I need to I'm only melting this because it's not in a good shape. Alright, I'm gonna bake my second. Alright, back. Let me preheat this oven. 350. This is almost done. So, I'm going to be cutting out 4 of the giant cookies. So I'm gonna put, you have to put 4 of these cookie doughs together. Place them in the oven. Cook it for like at least 10-15 minutes. Alright, done. So these are gonna go in the oven, cook, and 10 minutes. Alright. Whatever needs to know. Alright. So these are how the 2 giant cookies are supposed to be. Those are they haven't any luck. We put just 4 tablespoons. Yeah. This is nice. Don't make sure if you have any sharp knives. Don't leave the cookie down. Alright, let me check the oven. It's 350. Almost there. Just eating some leftover lunch. Nobody needs to know. Alright. I'm gonna get my oven mitten. To be ready for these things. Okay, I'm gonna start adding these big doughs. All done. Alright, the first ones are gonna be cooking in right now. 350. Just at 350. And now it's time to put these in. Alright, let me put this in. And let me throw these all away. masking paper is not going to be any use. So wait a minute. 1 second. To ruin. No, what are you doing? Cake. You're not baking in here, young one. No, what are you doing? Making a mistake. Why? Alright. What are you doing? Making cookies. If you're making cookies, if you're making cookies, then why is this there in front? Parchment paper to the rescue. It's recording? Yes, it's recording. I have to redo my hair because honestly, that looks weird. It looks like an elf, but my hair. That was my cousin. Alright. I'm gonna bring you guys over to the oven. My cookie dough looks so good. That's just what's happening in the oven if you don't see. You made the worst mistake on giant cookies ever. I did.
You're using 2 big ovens?
No. Look, these are how the cookies
I burned
are
it
supposed
in
to be.
here.
They're separate. Hopefully they don't stick. And then you don't need to see that.
These cookies are really good. Trust me. They're really good.
Best on planet.
Wait, our pool outside that hasn't broken yet. My mother's glasses, which I will break with the camera soon.
Alright. So?
Do you want me to film you?
No. You know we saw that.
I'm filming. I'm just gonna film. Okay, so hi, I'm filming. Hi. I'm filming. Oh no! Stop. Brownie, no.
Oh, they're starting to cook. Come.
I will come. Out of the way. Hold on. Right? Get him to see.
Stop talking.
Okay. This there. They can see what's going on. I think.
Come.
Okay, now they can see. They can see. Here they are. Y'all can see now. Hello. Brianni in the background. Okay, let's check on the other ones. Hello, doggo. Hello. Cookie. This one has more chocolate. No, no. This one. I feel like this one's gonna turn more better. Stop. I think I like that one. I don't like that one. No. That one. No. That one. This one. What are you eating?
Some lunch.
This is a sandwich I made earlier, and you said you didn't like it.
Because it was with butter.
How dare you?
So this sponsoring.
This isn't really sponsoring, but we're using this. And they're really good cookies, so whatever. Whatever. No.
Bang it.
They look good.
Thank you.
No, I like eating.
Cookies are baking. You saw nothing in our pantry. We're outside. Right now, we are going to be going in the kitchen. Not out of the kitchen. Tell me what you do not see. Giant thing of sugar.
Brianni, no. These trees do not work. Seriously. We got them at the store earlier. And Brianni, no, these things do not work. Ridiculous. Brianni wants to be following me. Brianni wants to be following me.
The cookies are ready now.
Working. And working.
Oh boy.
Working. Alright, well, Merry Christmas. This one, you can have a piece of this one. Don't take this one, it's for Barbie. This one. These cookies are starting to bake. Oh, this one's
Give me
hot.
that camera.
Brianni, no!
Give me that camera.
Alright, just film.
No, I
Film.
know. It's hot.
Ladies, no. Brianni, you can scrape off the cookie dough of the other spatula. Can you just give me the, this is what I'm doing, I'm recording. Oh. Nice picture, I'm in Paris. Leave me alone, these two are cornering me. No. Oh no, these two are wanting to cornering me. No.
Give me that thing camera.
No.
Give me that camera.
And I will take.
You got it.
Give me the camera to me. No, I like it. We have to actually show something. And the cookies are rising.
Bro, they can barely see what's going on.
Because it's like light. The light isn't really working well. But at least they're
We
rising.
have to do the TikTok.
They're rising at least, so you can see.
Why
them.
does my hand look weird? Do you know what?
No, we don't need it. No one needs to see your hand, okay? Still check on the other one. I don't like that one. That one looks weird.
Nothing's going on. It's not. Oh.
Cause that's why she hadn't even low. She never even put it on. It was at 350, and now I have to put it here. Start. And it better be starting. It'll start working, Brie. Don't worry. In 10 minutes, that thing will be done. And then these, they look like. This is the most special thing ever. This is a chef's. Come, point the camera. This is a chef's type of oven mitt.
You're Gordon.
I am not Gordon Ramsay.
You think you are?
This is from. This is ridiculous. Stop pointing the camera at me.
Can I have some?
All right, you want to be pointed the camera? All right, Peppa Pig, let's go. Oh my God. Dougal.
Oh, snatch.
Uh-oh, okay. Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh my God. He's like, let me go, let me go.
No.
He's like, I'm free.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Cookies are baking.
Oh, they smell good. They smell good. They smell like chocolate
Oh
chip.
wow, they actually start looking like one now.
These ones. This, hold on. I need to make this thing smaller. How do I make this thing smaller again?
Yeah, like this.
How do I make it smaller? Like this. I stole the camera. Give me, stop it. Can you? No. I have a piece of DNA. Okay, whatever. So, these cookies, I accidentally put them on pause on the oven. And now they actually start to bake a little bit. Oh, it smells really good though. These cookies are actually baking. They smell like if they're burning. That's a good thing. That's not a good thing.
That's not a good thing. This is the one who burned, almost burned.
And it was good. I'm not good at baking. I'm not good at baking, but I can cook well.
You can cook, but you can't bake.
At least I liked it. I'm gonna sit right here. I'm putting this higher. On. Daddy, if these cookies burn, it's not my fault. Y'all see me? Yeah, we see you perfectly fine. Yael, give me something to eat, please. Janine especially used.
Okay.
Can I get my sandwich, please? Yeah, it's mine. That's from James Charles Canadian. To me, that's a funny. Go check that out.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have caramel frappuccino with 2 cups of topping and 2 cups of caramel?
Hilarious. It is hilarious.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have a tall caramel frappuccino with 2 cups of caramel, 2 cups of topping,
No.
Americano shots?
Oh my god. These two are ruining my video. No. This is ridiculous. I need to do this video again.
Good thing you have me for me to ruin your videos.
By the way, you deserve this. Not fair. Do you want to get snow globed?
Oh, yes, I do.
Brianni, no.
Please, can you just... I'm trying to switch the camera.
Hello, everybody. Welcome
Excuse
to
me,
today's
ma'am.
TED Talk.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I
What are you doing with your head? Oh, yes.
Okay, Brianni, you record TikTok shot.
Hi. I will get the
Yeah.
purple moon key.
I'm gonna check.
I will get it.
I'm gonna check on the cookies.
But you're not here right
Wait, listen, wait, hold on.
I'm gonna check on the cookies. Yeah.
They're spreading!
They are? Oh my god.
I think they're ready.
They are ready. Put them 2 more minutes.
Alright.
Oh, these are actually breaking.
Spreading. Okay, everyone. We're gonna take them out. Here's the game plan. We're gonna... No, if they're not done, then we'll put them back in for a couple minutes.
Brianni,
Okay, guys.
you said you wanted spotlight.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, I got spotlight.
Hey, I'm getting them out.
What? Oh, okay, you're letting them out? Okay. Oh, that smells really good. Brianni, stop.
You saw.
Wow, it's cutting close. Go on, why don't you, stop being scaredy cat. Go, close the oven. They're done. They're golden brown. They smell delicious, and I bet they'll taste delicious. Just like the ad.
There, I can't see.
We're going to set these down, and
Ooh, they're gooey on the inside.
My hand got burned by the mitt.
see, look. See, I
They're
just
not
need to.
good. They are good, like my hand.
Hold on.
My hand isn't good, and this is the only type of iceberg we have, so.
What about these ones?
Oh, they'll be still need more time because they're bigger.
Oh, wait. I should probably do
My hand got burned by this stupid man.
I'll eat one the first taste test.
No, wait, that's still hot.
Brianni, I made you a mini big one.
That's the one I told her about.
That one's mine.
Brandon.
It's still really big. These.
I turned off the oven for you to taste.
Oh, yay.
No, that's for my head, Kenny. Bad. This is Kenny. Did you just? What did you just do, Kenny? I have this on video. Whose cookie did you touch?
Mine? No, I
Really?
didn't. I didn't.
She touched your cookie.
I
And
didn't.
she put some in her mouth.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Very nice. Okay. These are the cookies that we made, and most of them are stuck together. And Brianni, no! This is a child-proof.
Anything wrong? Okay.
Kenny, we have your hand on the cookie. No cookie hand.
It tastes crispy and
Brianni,
It's my cookie, not yours.
It's her cookie.
it is your cookie. You want to scoop it out so you can start getting it on video, please?
Alright.
Okay, get the spoon. Brianni, get a spoon and a plate for you to get your cookie.
I'll use this one.
Because it's full with chocolate. Brianni, you might as well just, no, that's too hot. Get a spatula.
It's too late.
Oh my god, didn't I just?
Oh my gosh, here, I'll get one.
I love cookie
No,
dough.
no, 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 no. You're gonna use it for?
Brianni, I'm
My hands got burned, so I'm using this.
Yeah, burn, you just overheated it.
I did get burned because of the mitt.
Go, I'll do it.
Yeah, you go away from there. I swear I got chocolate. That was I have it all in my hand. That is no, Nico, no. I'm sorry, child. You cannot have any residue of this, or you will go kaput.
Do you want ice cream with that?
Do not say any of this.
Okay, I'm gonna go check on the other
Die.
cookies.
Die.
Brianni, move please.
How is your
Thank you. Oh, guys, the cookie's almost done. What? This one seemed ready. They're puffing up.
I'll take the messy one.
No, I want the messy one.
I was gonna share the left one with Brianni.
Alright.
This one's mine.
Look at this. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, wait, ready? Yeah, that's good. That's a good.
Wait.
That's a good thing. All right, I'm gonna lower this.
Magui in the middle.
Lowering this thing, so it's now on 350
Alright.
instead of 4.
Try it.
Pretty good. No. I feel like these are ready. Okay, I'm gonna cancel the. Okay, I canceled the thing, guys, because I feel like it's ready.
Mom, you want your cookie or not?
Yeah.
Nico, you want a cookie or not? Alright, you don't want a cookie, so bad.
Is it still okay if I can? No, I want it.
I mean, cookie. Yes, back.
That's still ready.
This is one more.
Stop trying to block me. Brianni, how's your cookie?
I'm good.
I need to stop.
Come on, I'm trying to get her. Come on.
No, cookie.
I get out of the camera, Chub. Okay, Bree.
Where is my spill?
How was your cookie, Bree?
Brady, we saw that.
Okay.
Hey, give me the camera. I need it.
Oh wait, your fat face is still on Zoom. Okay, hold on.
Stop it, Julian.
Is that washed?
Yes, it's washed.
Stop touching these things, Janine.
No, no, they're all mine. Hold on. Okay. They look good. Good job. Now put the lid on before they all go to my demise from stress eating. Okay, we're gonna put this down. Take this and bam. The cook. Hold on, I'm gonna go get some.
So this is where the stupid. Dad, how many cookies do you want?
A big or a small?
Okay. Which do you want?
Perfect.
Here, look.
Take a shot.
Plan A, went A+. I feel like it's
Brandon, the cheap lights. You broke them.
That's your life. That's the life.
All right, well.
My hair's too powerful.
your
Video?
hair. Wait, what happened?
Oh wait, we need to do the giant cookies. This is the most problem.
Not done yet.
They are done.
There's still.
You guys have to watch me do this. This thing I've been
No, don't use a fork. Come along. Don't use a fork.
Well, I need a spatula.
Don't be dumb.
I need a spatula.
You're dumb because there's a spatula over here. But no, don't get that. No.
What's this?
Kenny, give me that. You can't do that either. Okay. No, don't. Hold on. Kenny, no. No, you have to take it from the bottom.
There's 2 cookies on it.
Yeah,
Not
which is
one.
why I need 2.
Is she?
This. If
Is she
you need it.
dumb?
Oh my god, okay. Now get that thing away. Get that thing away. Why so tell me that you're okay?
This is blurring out.
I need 2.
Hold on. You guys aren't.
Why are you blurring me? Just.
Gosh. I'm still cooling out my hand. Brandy, did you get another cookie? No. Yeah?
I'm scared. I'm scared. This is gonna burn. Hold on.
What did you?
Okay, what you do?
Why don't you just get down?
My hand is gonna be taking this.
Like this.
Maybe hand. No. Okay.
Yeah, because it is.
It's right.
Are you breaking the...
I'm breaking one of them because it's so. Kenny! I can't take all of them. Hold on. I have to get one of them by each of them.
Turn off the oven.
Yeah, I did.
He doesn't know
It's
how
so
to cook
hard
it.
with plastic.
This is my new hand. It's in an ice cooler pack. I burned my hand with this glove. Don't ever trust baking gloves on the store when it says 100% good.
Take it.
While they're practicing over there, I'm gonna take you guys and tell you how this new hand feels like. I'll see who knows. Hey Dad, this is my new hand. This is my new hand.
Okay.
Because I burned myself with a stupid end.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Be careful.
I did be careful. I burned it, and now this is my new hand for the next 20 minutes. Yeah, but usually this does this trick. You got it? Both of them or just one? Oh no. My new hand does.
Hold on.
Oh wait, no, my new hand.
I'm doing this. I'm taking the fork. And I'm getting in because I'm hungry. I want to eat a cookie. And I don't care.
Is it good?
I haven't even tried it.
It looks really raw. It looks raw.
Yeah, I like it.
Are you sure about this?
Who gives it, Tammy? Tell me.
It looks perfectly cooked, but it kind of looks raw. Told you, it came out of the dumb oven. Duh. Use your brain cells. Oh, Nico, look at this dude. This is a Shih Tzu, and look what it's doing just for a cookie. Nico, down. Okay, I'm gonna try this
He
myself.
doesn't know that he doesn't get cookies.
Give me my new hand. Wow, that was perfect cook.
Hold down.
Huh? Teamwork.
And it's close to burn. My favorite kind of cookie.
This cookie looks delicious. That one was demolished by all 3 of us. And here is the perfect shot for cookies. Don't mind that broken part.
I'm going to try this one.
No! That was for me!
Fantastic can't do anything. It's in this ice packet cooler thing. What are you doing? Leave it for me.
Wait.
Is it good?
There you go.
Hold up. I need to try this.
It tastes like the same thing, but a little bit gooier when I burn that cookie. It's still really hot. Yeah, it just came out of the oven.
Which are the best cookies ever?
The best cookies are the ones that come out of the oven. The best are the fresh ones, and they're juicy-ish goodness.
I'm getting a cup.
I'm surprised you were able to reach that.
No other time you need a right hand.
Oh well, that went.
Dang!
It died. Oh well.
Hey, baby.
Don't do that.
Fine, whatever. That's fine.
It was perfect though. She made a giant bang.
It doesn't matter.
What happens if we were Five Nights at Freddy's and Freddy was looking for us and he's like, and we're like, and then he's like,
Granny, you can talk about that off camera.
but it happens on camera. Sorry.
Too late. By the way, I'm not editing this. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a nice day.
Good.
Or